In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Sheets data to your Google Calendar. So if you're trying to sync some of the events that you have within your data in Google Sheets to your Google Calendar, here's how you can do it. So in this example, I have this trip schedule. I only have one activity and it's about skiing on this date, starting this time, ending this time, in this location, and that's in the category of recreational activity. So we also have this empty column right here, and I'm going to show you why it's needed for this to work. We actually need an extension to be able to do this. So one important component that you should have when creating this would be your date. So before getting started, make sure that your dates are already formatted in the date type. So edit your column type and go to date and select date. There you have it. So that's already in the date format. Now let's go and get that extension. Go to extensions here in the menu bar and select add-ons. Get add-ons on the right side. And now it will open our Google Workspace Marketplace. Go to the search bar at the top and just type Calendar Events Creator. Here we have it. Just click on that. Click on the first one that you will see. And now we are just going to install. Allow the permissions for it to install within Google Sheets. So once that is installed, just close this, refresh your page, go to extensions here in the menu bar, and now we will see our Calendar Events Creator already added. Let's get started by clicking on Start. And on the right side, we have 3 steps. The first step would be to select your Google Calendar. So make sure it's the right Google account, which is the same one that you're logged into. So just double check on that. Number 2 would be to select the correct column that would correspond to the correct category. So we have the event title, which is in column A. That's about right. Next one, we have our event start. So again, make sure that your dates are already formatted into dates and that you don't forget the actual date within your data. So we have the event start date and the event end date in the same date because this starts at 10:30 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. within the same day. Next one, our event description, which is in column F, event location in column E, and the status column in column G. That's why we have this empty column. So this is where we actually create the event within Google Sheets. And if we're done with number 2, we can now just go to number 3 and create the event. Click on that. And here we have it. So now we have this link on our column G. If we click on it, it will open our Google Calendar and our event already created in that calendar. There you have it. So that's how you can connect your Google Sheets data to your Google Calendar with the help of that extension. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.